In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Notebooklm. If you've ever wanted the AI's responses to appear in a different language, maybe to practice a new language or to make the tool more comfortable for you or your team, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do that. We'll be focusing on changing the output language, which means the language Notebooklm uses when it answers your questions or explains your notes. First, make sure you're signed in and you have your Notebooklm project open in your browser. Once everything is loaded, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon there. This is the Settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the Settings panel. When the Settings panel appears, look for the option labeled Output Language. This is usually presented as a drop-down menu. The drop-down is where you'll tell Notebooklm which language you want it to use when generating responses. Click on the Output Language drop-down to see the list of available languages. You'll now see a selection of languages you can choose from. Scroll through the list and find your preferred language. Take a moment to pick the one that best fits your needs. For example, you might switch from English to Spanish, French, or another language you're more comfortable with, or the one your audience uses. Once you see the language you want, click on it to select it. After selecting your preferred language, you're not done just yet. You need to confirm the change so Notebooklm actually applies it. Look for the Save button in the Settings panel. Click Save to lock in your new output language. Once you've saved, the Settings panel will close or update, and from this point on, Notebooklm's responses should appear in the language you selected. If you don't see the change right away, try asking a new question or starting a fresh conversation so the system can respond using the updated language. If you ever want to switch back to a different language, just repeat these same steps. Open the settings with the gear icon, click the Output Language drop-down, choose another language, and hit Save. And that's all you need to do to change the output language in Notebooklm.